All right, question number 15. We want to find all vertical asymptotes x equals a of the following function. And then for each of the a values, we're going to evaluate the limit of f of x as x approaches that asymptote from the right, from the left, and from both sides using positive or negative infinity when appropriate. Okay, so we are given, we want to find the limit. We don't know x equals, and then we'll figure out those based on the asymptotes, of x cubed minus 9x squared plus 18x. And this is all divided by x squared minus 6x. Okay, so first thing we want to do is factor this, and then we will see what our vertical asymptotes are. So doing top and bottom, because we might have some terms divide out, in the numerator and denominator we can factor out an x. So that'll leave us with x squared minus 9x plus 18. On the denominator we have x, and then x minus 6. Okay. And then this is a quadratic now, so we can see if we can factor that. Coefficient of 1 times 18 will give us 18. And the factors of 18 are 1 and 18, 2 and 9, 3 and 6. And we want to add the factors to get 9, and it looks like 3 and 6. So this will factor a little bit further. So we'll write x, and then 2 sets of parentheses, x, and then our factors 3 and 6. On the bottom we still have our x, and then our x minus 6, and then our x. Okay, so the signs, first sign is going to be negative, and then both of them going to be minus. That way, negative 6 and 3 will add to give us a 9. All right, so the numbers on the bottom that make the denominator 0 are x equals 0, and then x minus 6 equals 0. That gives us an x equals positive 6. So these are our potential vertical asymptotes. However, since we have an x in the top and bottom, it will divide out. And likewise, the x minus 6 will divide out with the x minus 6 on the bottom, leaving us with only x minus 3. So the two values that would be vertical asymptotes are now a hole in the graph. So we'll have a hole at these 2 points and no vertical asymptotes. So since we do not have vertical asymptotes, we don't have a value to evaluate the limit. And so option C, there is no vertical asymptote.